Putin plans to pay an official visit to Mongolia on September the 3rd, despite the fact that this country is a member of the International Criminal Court, and according to its decision, it must detain the Russian dictator for whom the ICC order has been issued for his arrest. This will be Putin's first visit to a country that has signed the Rome Statute, and in 2023, a representative of this country was elected as an ICC judge for 2 years. Therefore, formally, its member countries are obliged to execute the order and detain Putin. The Ministry of Foreign Affairs of Ukraine called on the government of Mongolia to execute the international arrest warrant for the Russian dictator.
The abduction of Ukrainian children is just one of numerous crimes for which Putin and the rest of the Russian military and political leadership must be brought to justice. These individuals are guilty of the war of aggression against Ukraine, atrocities against the Ukrainian people, murders, rapes, robberies, shelling of civilian infrastructure, and genocide. From the statement of the website of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs of Ukraine.
Earlier, Mongolia's foreign ministry announced Putin's visit but made no mention of the ICC arrest warrant.
Mongolia would be defying its international obligation as an ICC member if it allows Russian President Vladimir Putin to visit without arresting him. The Mongolian government has a chance to demonstrate its commitment to justice for international crimes and the ICC by denying him entry or arresting him if he entered the country. Welcoming Putin would undermine the crucial principle that no one, no matter how powerful, is above the law.
At the end of August 2023, the Russian dictator refused to go to the BRICS summit in South Africa, since the country is also a signatory to the Rome Statute of the ICC. Foreign Minister Lavrov went to Johannesburg in his place. Now, Ukraine has stated that Mongolia should comply with the decision of the International Criminal Court to arrest Putin or cancel this visit. As noted by the head of the Foreign Relations Committee in the Ukrainian Parliament, Alexander Mereshko, if these negotiations do not lead to the desired result, then we can turn to the Assembly of States Parties, which is scheduled to take place at the end of 2024.
It cannot be that a member state is a signatory to the Rome Statute, but does not fulfill its requirements. At the end of the year, the Assembly will meet and such issues and Mongolia's decision can be put up for discussion. And after Ukraine completes the ratification process, we will have the right to raise the issue of Mongolia regarding the representation of its judge in the International Criminal Court, and also to start relevant negotiations within the framework of the Rome Statute regarding Mongolia's position.
Moscow stated that allegedly all aspects of Putin's visit to Mongolia were carefully prepared, and as Bloomberg writes, Mongolia assured Putin that he would not be arrested on the basis of the International Criminal Court warrant. Reported by Diana Kolesnik, Христина Домбровська, UATV News.